In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove suggested pages on Facebook. You can frequently see pages being suggested to you based upon the interactions that you do on your account. Now there is no option to completely remove them. Now there are a few things that you can do. Firstly, you can tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen from your Facebook home screen and then tap on Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Now from here, if you scroll down under Security, you'll have an option of Off Facebook Activity. You can tap on it. Now here it's going to show you all of your recent activity that you've done on your account. You simply need to come over to the activity control and tap on Clear History. Tap on Clear History again. Now what this will do is it will remove all of your recent activities, which may be something like liking a certain kind of post or adding in comments to other pages. It will completely remove your activity from your account, and this will help you not seeing suggested pages. After you do that, the second thing that you can do is you can head back to this screen again and tap on Apps and Websites, and then make sure that this app, website and games option is turned off. Now it will also remove suggested pages that will show you based upon the apps, websites that you have added to your account. So those were the couple of steps that you can do in order to remove suggested pages on your Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.